All right, y'all remember this Armada that you would turn the ignition and you just, right? So I got a ratchet on the crank, so I want to verify any issues with the flywheel. Can anybody see that? Can y'all see that right there? Starter was just hitting those teeth and just staying right there. It wasn't catching gear, it was just hitting and just staying there. I'm gonna let this thing back down. I'm gonna crank it, see if it cranks, see if it catches. Not too sure if I want to sell them a flywheel, but that may cause issues. There are some times, I've experienced this at times, where just the engine stops at a weird spot and it just doesn't catch the flywheel. The starter doesn't catch the flywheel for some odd reason. It's just at that weird spot to where it just can't engage. So I don't know, guys. I'm gonna let it down and see what happens. Here we go. Oh, y'all heard how rough that was? I'm gonna recommend a starter and a flywheel, because by the way, it is extended warranty, so if they want to decline the flywheel, at least we have documentation.